Below is an expanded, very detailed drug monograph for Bisoprolol, Hydrochlorothiazide, HCTZ. This level is suitable for medical, pharmacy, and nursing students as well as clinical reference use. Bisoprolol, Hydrochlorothiazide, HCTZ name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Bisoprolol fumarate, Hydrochlorothiazide. Drug class, Bisoprolol. Cardioselective beta-1 adrenergic receptor blocker, Hydrochlorothiazide, thiazide diuretic. Therapeutic class, antihypertensive combination agent, Brande. Drug forms, oral tablets, 2.5 milligrams, 6.5 milligrams, 6.5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, 6.5 milligrams, 6.5 milligrams. Not her definition. HCTZ is a fixed-dose oral antihypertensive combination medication that reduces blood pressure by combining the cardiac effects of a beta blocker with the diuretic and vascular effects of a thiazide diuretic, resulting in enhanced blood pressure control with lower doses of each component. Number 3, mechanism of action. Bisoprolol selectively blocks both the beta-1 adrenergic receptors in cardiac tissue, results in heart rate, negative chronotropy, myocardial contractility, negative inotropy, cardiac output, renin secretion from the juxtaglomerular apparatus. Net effect, reduced blood pressure and myocardial oxygen demand. Hydrochlorothiazide acts on the distal convoluted tubule of the nephron, inhibits sodium chloride symporter, leads to excretion of sodium in water, potassium and magnesium loss, plasma volume, peripheral vascular resistance with chronic use. Combined effect, synergistic BP lowering, reduced reflex tachycardia, improved antihypertensive efficacy. Number 4, pharmacokinetics bisoprolol parameter details. Absorption 90% orally, bioavailability high, onset of action 1 to 2 hours, peak plasma level 2 to 4 hours, half-life 9 to 12 hours, protein binding 30%, metabolism, partial hepatic CYP independent, excretion 50% renal, 50% hepatic. Hydrochlorothiazide, absorption 60 to 70%, onset 2 hours, peak 4 to 6 hours, duration 6 to 12 hours, half-life 6-15 hours, metabolism not metabolized, excretion renal unchanged. Number 5 uses primary treatment of hypertension, maintenance therapy for BP control, alternative when monotherapy is inadequate. 6. Indications. Essential hypertension, patients requiring combination antihypertensive therapy, not intended for initial therapy unless clinically justified. 7. Contraindications. Absolute contraindications, hypersensitivity to bisoprolol, hydrochlorothiazide, sulfonamide-derived drugs, severe bradycardia, 50 p.m., second or third degree AV block, cardiogenic shock, acute decompensated heart failure, anuria, severe renal impairment, severe hepatic dysfunction. Relative contraindications, bronchial asthma, COPD, diabetes mellitus, peripheral vascular disease, gout, thyroid disease, pregnancy. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Special populations, diabetes, masks hypoglycemia symptoms, tachycardia, renal impairment, risk of electrolyte imbalance, hepatic disease, reduced metabolism, elderly, increased sensitivity, pregnancy, use only if benefits outweigh risks. Breastfeeding, drug may pass into breast milk. Electrolyte concerns, hypokalemia, hyponatremia, hypomagnesemia, hypercalcemia. 9. How to use. Take orally once daily, preferably in the morning to avoid nocturia. Can be taken with or without food. Swallow tablet whole. Adherence is critical. Number 10. Dosing information. Adult hypertension dose, initial dose, 2.5 milligrams bisoprolol, 6.25 milligram HCTZ once daily. Titration. Adjust every 2-4 weeks based on BP response. Maintenance dose, 5 to 10 milligrams bisoprolol, 6.25 milligrams HCTZ daily. Dose reduction may be necessary in renal or hepatic impairment. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered, skip if near next scheduled dose, never double the dose. Overdose symptoms, severe hypotension, bradycardia, shock, electrolyte disturbances, renal failure, CNS depression. Management, supportive care, IV fluids, atropine for bradycardia, glucagon, beta blocker toxicity. 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not. Stop abruptly, risk of rebound hypertension, angina, MI. Consume excess alcohol. Use NSAIDs without medical advice. Use potassium supplements unless prescribed. 13. Side effects, common, fatigue, dizziness, headache, cold extremities, increased urination, bradycardia. Less common, depression, sleep disturbances, sexual dysfunction, rash. Serious, severe hypotension, heart block, bronchospasm, electrolyte imbalance, acute renal failure. Number 14, vital information monitoring parameters, blood pressure, heart rate, serum electrolytes, renal function, BUN, creatinine, blood glucose, lipid profile, uric acid. Number 15, other drugs will affect Draeger interactions, NSAIDs, reduced BP control, digoxin, increased risk of bradycardia, insulin oral hypoglycemics, mask hypoglycemia, lithium, increased lithium toxicity, calcium channel blockers, excessive cardiac suppression, other antihypertensives, additive hypotension. Summary, Bisoprolol HCTZ is an effective combination antihypertensive that provides cardiac protection and diuretic action, but requires careful monitoring for cardiac function, electrolytes, and renal status. Thank you. Have a nice day.